A strong, united Machista. A strong, united Machista is down for anything. Down for the people, down for the gente. A strong, down, united Machista takes whatever they want as an activist, as putting it down for the movement, will do anything to prove a point, will do anything to try to get what they want for the movement. Down, strong, united Machista will be at an action and sit in to when it ends, to when the cops come to try to break up the action. A strong, united Machista will never let that happen. A strong, united Machista keeps his head up high, proud of his indigenous roots. Nigga Blacka, Mashika Tiawi. You know, that's what we do as Machista. We're strong, united, and we don't give up. We've been in this movement for over 40 years plus, and we ain't going down. We're getting strong. We don't multiply. A strong, united Machista is down till we see something happen in this government. A strong, united Machista will be there to the end, to the liberation of Aztlán. We get our tierras back as indigenous inhabitants in this corrupt society in the United States. A strong, united Machista makes a difference in the community, in school, with their grades. You know, as a strong, united Chicana / Chicano, Nick and Placa in this movimiento. You know, a strong, united Machista don't care about the consequences of their actions. A strong, united Machista makes a difference by him or her fellow Machistas. Also by the organizations that support the Mecha Movimiento. Por vida. A strong, united Machista makes a difference in the community, in their barrios, in their escuelas. Being a shot caller in the Mecha movement grows up in the Mecha ranks, and this Mecha Movimiento. That's how we do it. We strong, we don't die, we multiply. We make it known through the community, we make it known through our supporters, we make it known through media. You know, even though media hates on the Mecha movement, you know, we just keep on pushing till we see results, and that's what it is. And it's Movimiento Estudiante Chicano Chicana de Aztlán. We fight for self-determination of our people to liberate the land of Aztlán. Simón, que vive el movimiento Mecha por vida, a rato.